Hey everybody, and welcome to Steno 24/7. I appreciate you guys spending so much of your time with me, and it really, you know, really makes me feel good. Now, we are here at Steno 24/7, a court reporting dictation channel for court reporters, shorthand writers, and so on and so forth. So if you have a need for these videos, feel free to share, like, subscribe. You guys know the drill. Now, I want to go ahead and get right into this because you guys know. You go ahead right now. Go ahead, hit the like button because I know we're all busy, and I know you guys get busy, and I know you guys forget sometimes. So please go ahead and do that for me now before we even get started, because I'm pulling up the dictation because we are about to get right on into this. Thank you so much for doing that for me. I appreciate it. Any comments? I always answer all comments that are put at the bottom of the video. Any comment you leave on my channel, I always get right back with you. Okay, so now let's go ahead, get into this, because tonight we're finishing up this dictation on labor union, case number 6, 2 voice, 1012 words. We are now at the last video, 230 words per minute. So feel free to go see any of the other videos that I have done on the same dictation from 50 words per minute to 230. Last video. Ready? That's right. You said 7 meetings. Now, do you have 1 month each month? Answer to each month. Question to a month. When on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Answer Thursday nights. Question, might there have been some special meetings in addition to the regular meetings held during that period of time? Answer, I believe there was one special meeting during that time. Question, did you attend and preside at all of them? Answer, yes. Question, you say you did not keep minutes of whatever business took place? Answer, no, sir. Question, did you preside and keep order and put motions to a vote? Answer, right. Question, did you conduct these meetings of Local 2424 who are not limited to employees of the 10 employers who are involved in these unemployment compensation proceedings? Answer, that is true. Question, do you include, in addition to the 2 employees of the 10 employers, employees of Brass Casting Company, Inc.? Answer, yes. Question, and maybe other plants located in the area? Answer, that is right. Question, are questions presented to the entire membership at the meetings in connection with pending collective bargaining negotiations? Answer, they are. Question, is there any segregation made between the members who are employed at any particular plant? Answer, yes, in some cases. Question, do you mean with reference to special issues? Answer, right. Question, is that because of different terms that are in use at certain places? Answer, that's right. There are various expressions used at different plants. Question, yes, but on important questions like wage increases or any changes in working conditions, they all vote regardless of any members of any one plant. Where terms may be different, doesn't it apply to all? Answer, certainly alike. Question, is this true at all meetings, regular meetings, and even special meetings? I refer to all meetings we have discussed. Answer, that special meeting was something different. Question, that had nothing to do with the subject matter? Answer, it didn't involve the entire membership. Question, you testified on your first examination that you did not go to the plant Monday? Answer, no, I didn't. Question, didn't you go to work at all? Not even show up? Answer, I wasn't there when they opened. Question, did you go there any later time of that day? Answer, I got there during the afternoon. Yes, sir. Question, as an official of your union, did you have anything to do about arranging for signs to be placed anywhere? Where? Answer, no. Question, you state that you had nothing to do with that. Was that handled by a committee? Answer, right. Question, was that committee the one we have referred to in this proceeding as a strike committee? Answer, right. Question, tell us, would that be a 10-man committee? Answer, that is right, it would. Question, did you work with the committee as an officer? Answer, I did not. Question, what about the paid officials of the union? Answer, no. Question, perhaps I should express it in another manner. Perhaps you didn't actually work with them, but did you consult with them, or did they consult with you? Answer, advice and general information. Question, were there more than 10 representatives or various plants on the committee? Answer, there wasn't. Question, there were generally 10. Answer, right. Question, there was 1 representative from each of the 10 plants, not 2 from some plants and other plants not being represented. And answer, 1 man from each plant. Question, how were these men selected? Were they selected by employees at the individual plants? Answer, that is right. Question, was this done pursuant to rules and regulations or bylaws of the local union? Answer, that is right. Also the Constitution. Question, was there a meeting of the local union where the membership voted strike authority to the strike committee? Answer, there was. Question, did this turn over to them authority to designate which plants would be put on strike if a settlement was not reached? Answer, that was entirely an individual matter. The employees of each plant involved had to agree before the committee could take definite action as to any given plan. Question, was that in the form of a resolution that was adopted at one of the meetings? Answer, yes. Question, did the local union put that in the record of the minutes of the meeting? Answer yes. Question, when you went to the plant that afternoon, did you see some signs being carried by any of the employees? Answer yes. Question, were any of these exhibited near the plant, say near an exit or entrance or exit? Answer yes. Question, how many of these signs did you see? Answer, there were 2 of them. Question, did you notice whether any of the signs were of a convertible type? Did they have the lockout language on the original sign, or was it just put on an ordinary stripe, banner, or poster, whatever it was? Answer, it was made type. What did you call it? Question, convertible. Could you have made just a strike notice out of them by taking off the lockout sign? Answer, that is right, they could. Question, during the next 2 days, were you busy with their usual union affairs that came up in connection with the labor situation? Answer, yes. Question, did a group of you men as a body file with the unemployment compensation office? Answer, that is not true. I went alone. I think they all went alone. I am sure of it. Question, was it a general understanding between the men that if you all didn't get work in the very near future, you would all file? Answer, well, I don't know if there was any such understanding or not. I couldn't say. Question, did you stay active in connection with the labor dispute after you had registered for work and filed your claim for readjustment allowances? Answer, only as a member of the negotiating committee. Question, well, didn't you stay active in your capacity as president of the union as well as member of the committee? Answer, yes. Question, during that period, did you attend some meetings held with the state labor conciliator? That was 220, right on the head. That was right on the head, man. I hung right on in there. But that was right on the money. I mean, 230. Right on the money. Right on the money. 230 words. Believe it or not, right on the money. So if you got pieces of that or parts of that, hey, congratulations. Who cares whether you got the whole thing? If you got some of that, I'm going to applaud you right now. Great job, because that is not an easy feat, because that is even above what you're trying to attain. So if you got even some of that, I applaud you. Ooh, I would love to do some speed building on this 230 word per minute. Ooh, we need to do some speed building, child. I've never done speed building for the 230s, and I know, that some of you, are soon to be here. Soon to be here. So, I think I'm going to do another video on some speed building on this, but thank you guys for coming tonight. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button before you go, or you leave me a comment in the comment section. Any comment is welcome, and I always respond. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening from Steno, Duchess at Steno 24/7.